So lately, Zoocci Coke Dope has been quiet. So I was like, you know what, let me make a melody. Just, maybe it might inspire him to make something. Who knows? So I started off with this piano. It's called it's called Legend Grand from Nexus, and sounds something like this. As you can see here, my chord is D minor. So after that sound, I decided, you know what, let me take the same chords and layer them to a different sound. So this is a music box signature by Nami. Now, as you can hear, the music box, it has like a R&B vibe. So to make it sound like that, I decided to chop it over here because it hits hard over here. I didn't want that. And after that, I went to this settings function here and then put this on, did this to 5, and then played with the slider as well. I did that with actually most of the sounds over here, like this one. I took the same chords and just played with them a little bit and made this one. Right. After that, I felt like it was not trippy enough, so I did this trippy sound. The BPM is 120, by the way. After that, I went and did this silo. Silo is like a marimba kind of vibe. So I just changed the pitch of a lot of the theme. I just played around with the notes. So the reason why it sounds like that, sounds like it's appreciate. It sounds like it appreciate. It's a PG. What is that word? A pigeon or whatever. Yeah, it's because I used this loop thingy, so it loops. That's why it sounds like that. So after that, I decided to do this bass, right? So this bass line just follows the root notes of the original melody. Now, as you just heard that, it sounds like a step bass, so I wanted to layer it with a guitar bass just to make them sound unique. So what I did to them is that I sidechained this one to this one, so that when this one plays, this one tucks down at some point. So together, as you can see here through our fruity limiter, this is what I was trying to achieve actually. You see? I want them to blend together. As you can see, that step bars, it's kind of long compared to the other one, you know. So I also decided to do this plug nyana guitar thingy. So now together the melody sounds like this. Now, if you want to see how I do melodies for Usma Money, click the video on the screen right now.